So my sister-in-law recently gifted me with something called the Wonderskin. I have two. I have Haley and I have Whimsical. So this is like the kit. And so I did open it up to try to read the instructions to get like an understanding of like what this does. So it comes with a lip activator, and it comes with a lip mask, and it comes with a towel. And I guess this is the towel that I use to wipe the mask off, girl. I don't know. So I think it's supposed to change colors. I'm probably super duper late to the game. I don't know. So let me just read this to make sure. Apply 2 to 3 coats onto clean exfoliated lips, like a gloss. And then it says to leave it on for about 30 to 60 seconds. The longer you leave it on, the more moisturized my lips are supposed to be. And then after that, I wipe the mask off and I apply the activator 1 to 2 times, and then I reveal the peel and reveal. So, lip mask. Oh girl, let me try to get this plastic off. Okay, I feel like I should have watched the tutorial before doing this because I'm going in. I read the instructions. How hard could this be, right? So, it's a purple looking color, and I'm just gonna put it on. It smells good. It smells good. So that's coat 1. This looks nuts. Coat 2. Okay. So it says let it sit for like 30 to 60 seconds. So I'll be back. It's 10:21. I guess I'll be back around 10:22, 10:23-ish. I'm not setting a timer. We just gonna go, yeah. This looks nuts though. Purple. I mean, it's kind of cute in a way. Like back in the day, like I was a heroin girly. The lipstick color for MAC. When I say that, I didn't know heroin was a drug back then, so I have to be very clear. But this is giving like kind of like heroin vibes. I think I still have heroin. It's a classic. That lip color. It's a classic. Anyways, okay. I know I'm so lame, but I'm trying to figure out. So I'm looking at this one, and it says apply it on your lip, wait 1 minute to dry, and wipe away. And which I'm assuming I will wipe away with this. But with this kit, am I just supposed to spray the activator? And is that supposed to help? I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna spray the activator first to see if it's supposed to reveal the true color. Did I do that right? I think I spray it and then I... Did I do that right? I got it in my mouth. Did I do that right? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna just... I think I did it right. Oh, cute. I think I did that right. Oh, this is cute. Oh, this is cute. And this is the color Haley. This is cute, like a little stain. Oh, I think I did it right, y'all. It's so cute. This is cute. This is perfect for today because I'm not doing anything but lounging in. I might run an errand. I think I have to go to Ulta. But this is cute. Okay, this was fun. All right, bye.